In this video, I want to talk about how you can build a Shopify website. Now, this is really easy, guys, and this will just be a short video to quickly give you an introduction. So if you want a more in-depth version, you have to find another one, but this will show you everything you need to do to get started. So what you want to do is just sign up for a trial or pay for the plan. Once you've done that, head to your Shopify dashboard and go to the home. Now, Shopify will already have a tutorial to get started, so just click on this and start it right here. So the first thing would be to add a product, design your store, customize your domain. In here, review shipping rates, name your store, set up the payments and pick a plan, and then you want to launch it in here. And as you can see, you're gonna have to get the custom domain, and once you've done that, you should be ready to launch. What you can do is, if you want more website-y, you can come here and select your online store. You can go to themes and you can select a theme, and you can go to pages and you can create different kind of pages if you want it to be more like a website with different kind of pages. So that is how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.